0.
How many did he get right? 3. 2. 2. Okay, you got 2 right.
I got it.
Now you got 1. Just 1. 1? Guys, this is proof you really didn't see this beforehand. You see this? Okay, very good. Oh no! 0!
Zero?
And on your 4th try, you got it correctly! Yeah!
혹시 지금 먹을 수 게임이 끝났으니까
Because the game is done, can I drink?
Guys, gusto mo ng drink? Ninang Duncan? Yes? Can we give...
게임이 끝났잖아요.
Can we give Usok
Kasi tapos na yung game, di
ice
ba?
brevet? Do we have an ice brevet, please?
근데
Guys, magbaba kayo ng
이거 먹을게요.
Ito na lang inumin ko, ito na lang.
Are you sure?
Yeah.